Hello guys, good morning now. Yeah, so we are here today again. Let's go on with our plan. As we can see, I've not really done my I've not finished mine. I hope you have finished your own. But notwithstanding, let's go on. I just want to let's go on how to identify the space we have here with our text. So identifying it is maybe you should identify the rooms, the toilets, the sit outs, the entry, the kitchen, staircase, passage, dining, and others with the text too. So it's very easy. So it's very easy in ArchiCAD. So what you do is you simply go to your document. When you go to your document, you look for test two. Look at test two, or you just go to here. You click this document too, and you look for test two. You click on it. When you click on it, you just simply click here. So you have clicked here. What you do is to change the color of your pen. You can change the sizes of your write-up. You can change also the style. If you don't like this, just there are so many different styles. So you just choose the one you like, whichever one you like, and the rest. So let's go on and just click here. Let's put entry here. This okay. This is. Let's go on. Put entry. Just click here. Entrance. Entrance. So if you don't like this, you simply highlight it here, and you can change whatever you want to change. You can see it. So you can change. You can also automatically change it when you click on your tool and come here, but you can use this just to get the kind of text you want and the size you want, how you want it. You understand? When you get it, handwrite. I think I love this. So this is it. So with this, we have gotten what we want. What we do is to go here, automatically put that, put this to 2. That's your size. Put this here, remove this. Find what you have done. Find the one you choose. Then you look for it. Okay. So you have set this. If you want your tool to be wrapped, you can also do some setting here. There are two other type of setting you can do here. especially with this, but I don't think it's necessary. So but let's go through it and see how it works. So with this you say okay, then let's go here. Let's assume this is sitting row. Let's put this. Okay. If you still want to edit this, you simply go here and click on it. When you click on it, you can still edit it back, or you just simply go here. Now click on this. You can see you have changed it. So let's still go back and change it to black. No change. Now let's move this to here. Let's move this to here. Let's assume we are right in here. If you want to work on this, you put this, you click here and you say okay. You can see what it has done, but this is not what we want, so we go back to click here and remove this, put frame and you say okay. You can see it. Then if you don't want the frame, you can still click on it, remove it entirely and say okay. Wrap text, remove it and you click. So these are where you can come and you do your normal setting. So this is just it. So that's it. So this is how to set your, all these are also setting. So I hope you understood this. It's very easy. So let's leave this. So let's leave this and let's go on our dimension. How to dimension is still go to document, you go to dimension. So we already set our dimension right from time. So you just, if you have followed up in our, if you have followed up from the beginning, you will see where we did the dimension. So this is very easy. You just click on it. So we already set our dimension. You can also go to your dimension to and reset if you don't like what you're seeing. So this is it. This is how we can dimension our, so this is how you can dimension your drawing. I hope you understood this too. You know we already set our grid too. Our grid, we already set it. So, but we will go deep on that soon. So let's end this lecture for now. I don't want to make this too lengthy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood us.